Hello, 3D printing community. I don't blame you guys for skewering me on my first video. You have to understand in context, I just received the machine. It stopped working. I couldn't figure out what in the heck, probably what led you to this video or my first one, which I understand was very confusing because my stupid cat was meowing in the background. Didn't help matters. So I thought of an easy analogy to figure out and to explain what is going on. See this little piece of filament? Think of it as a water slide. If you have ever been to a water park, okay, and this is your inner tube and you're riding on it, okay? You're dropping in through the hole. That's where you insert it. Your filament could break right here or get stuck at the base of it, which is down here, right? And so in order to get the bloody thing out, you have to disconnect that. I'm going to see if I can do this without looking like too much of an idiot. I didn't say I was good at this. This is probably going to fall, but let's see if I can squeeze my big hands down in here. So you have a push button, right? And you push this. Oh, God. Unsnap. Now, to show you what happens, your filament, this is going to get interesting. I swear to God, I'm trying here. So, we're going to feed this sucker in, right? This is your water slide coming in here. So you got your little deal. You're feeding it through. Oh, there we go. And it goes, and you're going to see it come out of there. See that? So what happens is your filament gets brittle, and it breaks right there. Okay, so then the filament can't advance past that point. That's the first point that it won't advance. Okay? So now it's going to try and pull it in and out. So if by doing that, you can push a little piece of broken filament out like this. And that'll just clear your clog. It's that easy. This is one of the main points. The second point where it screws up, it gets jammed, is down here. God dang it. Keep the flap open. At the back of the unit. Because 4 goes into 1 and then it comes through. So you got to figure out which of the 4 feeder tubes has the broken filament. And that'll usually tell you, okay? So your water slide is jammed because a big fat guy like me, well, I lost 100 pounds, is jamming up the ride. Okay? Y'all are stacking up behind me. Oh my God. Finally it pushes through. It may get stuck at the second point. So you just disconnect the tube on the outside, push the filament through, see if it goes there. The third point is up here, okay, where it actually feeds into the machine. You can disconnect that and check and see if you got filament stuck there. And that's simple to do. You just push button, pull the hose out. The fourth point is it goes all the way down into your extruder. Okay? And that's this part up here. My cat's coming, so we're going to finish this up before she interrupts again. Okay. And you simply just disconnect the tube from the top. And you can push the filament through. There's also ways to do it on the Bambu Labs. There's an official video on how to do all this stuff. There wasn't at the time that I bought this printer because I received one of the first ones. And there was no instructions on how to do it. So that explains what happened. This is my little Ferrari logo horse, okay, that I printed out. So I have everything working. What happens is your filament may dry out and break. You get a little piece stuck in your water slide. You just have to get rid of that piece and you should be back to normal. Put the tube back in, snap it in, and you should be back in business. Simple as that. Enough said, okay? This is the main point of contention. On AMS 1, you used to have to take apart everything, but they redesigned it. Here comes Bella with her cameo. You're done. You're too late. You didn't ruin this video. All right, stay tuned. More fun stuff to come from the black hole. That's all you have to do. It just push button, unplug. then plug it back in. After you feed the tube, you push out a little piece of filament, you'll be back in business. Try it, run it, should go. That's it, simple as that.